So there's not really an explanation for any of these vlogs. The first part, I went to an Export A party, which is like a cigarette company, with my work friends, which was really fun. And then I hung out with Danielle, and then I bought clothes. So that's really it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Hi, it's me. 911. To pee, but we made it to this event. That's it, I lost my phone. Don't know where it is. Oh, here we go. I can't do that. Hello, friends.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. What did you do, Dani?
I drove from Lethbridge to Calgary, got a fucking photo radar ticket. I literally drove almost 3 hours just to pass out in somebody else's bed.
So, essentially, Dani tells me, oh, I really want to come to Calgary at 11:30. And I was like, you should, because I'm a terrible influence. Now, we're going to go get some drinks at Brew House.
I got pulled over doing 140 in a 100 zone. The officer was super nice. He was like, so you must be pretty rich then if you're a student, hey? And I was like, no, the opposite. And he was like, yeah, don't worry, I'll give you a warning. And like,
oh, what a nice
man. Just so you know, my buddy is like up ahead a little bit, and I had like open pack of Twisted Teas in the back seat.
Yesterday, my dad got into my car because we were at my sister's house, and I'm like, he's like, where am I supposed to put my feet? Because it's just beer cans at the bottom of my car, and I said, you have to cross your legs.
I'm so sorry, Father.
They're really out here on what
Holy
the fuck?
Yeah, there was 2 bicyclists on like the right side of the road, and this one of them just freaking swerves, like literally
in front of my car, and like this is where like the speed goes from 60 to 80.
Yeah, and there was cars flying.
And then I braked, obviously, because I was gonna probably hit this person. And then the guy goes like this. He's like, oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah, fucking course.
Keep driving, you're fine. Okay, so we're gonna do the obsessed with each other.
Oh yeah.
This is my favorite. When/where did we meet? So like we met from the sorority. However, we were never close. Like I was friends with Kaylee, she was friends with Kaylee, but like we never really talked.
Kaylee's by the way, Kaylee's our other roommate. She's also a roommate.
This is my interpretation of how we met. Her and I were at the club, you know how it goes. I think our phones both went off at the same time or something like that.
Oh! Yeah, I remember. Call him Paul.
Paul hits us on Snapchat with that, like, what you doing, like...
Both of us
at the same time! And I'm like, oh my gosh, literally every single guy in Lethbridge that I talk to, I'm like, we both know.
Yeah.
Or like her friends have gone for him, or like my friends have gone for him. It was the wildest thing ever.
So that's how we bonded.
So yeah, the next morning we literally laid in bed and talked about boys. And it is such a good bond.
And then we realized we have this basically the same type.
Oh, 100%. We're like the same person, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, when's my birthday?
October 31st, 98.
Okay, cool. Yours is 97.
Do you know my date birthday though, bitch?
It's like around the holidays.
Because you don't know the day, I'm gonna give you some math questions. It's 8 days before Christmas.
Okay, that's cool. Like the 18th, 19th. Wait, hold on. The 17th.
Yeah.
Where was I born?
Were you born in Maple Ridge?
No. You were born in Edmonton, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was born in New Westminster at the Royal Columbian Hospital.
Oh, I was born at the hospital right beside Westham's Mall with Sequoia.
Oh. What's my shoe size? Hers is a size 6.
You're 7.
Yeah.
Hi, we're at Brew. She had an unsung. How was it? Dani, what are you doing right now?
I'm unwell. I literally says, I am unable to attend today's lecture as I am unwell. I will hopefully feel better for Monday, and I will see you in class then. Sorry to email you so late. Regards, Danielle Spencer.
Alright kids, we went to Brew House. Danielle was supposed to leave at 3. It's 2:25 right now, and she's drunk.
How excited.
Okay, so I have a package from the website Shein, I don't know. One of those, like, it's kind of like Zaffle. I'm gonna open this baby up. So first, I got this little, like, top to wear underneath, like, shirts and stuff like that. I got a pair of, like, shorts, and I don't know if they're gonna fit, because they're, like, they go by, like, extra small, and medium, large, and stuff like that. These, are so stinking cute. What the fuck? Have a cute little top. Kind of looks like the Vans checkered. But these are just black shorts. It's more plum than it is maroon like it was on the website. But I got this like little tank top. I think this is my jean skirt. It looks a little long. But you know what? We love a modest gal. Oh, it looks big. Okay, I got this fire tube top. It might be too big, but I feel like I can hem it. Okay, this is what I'm most excited about. I got this cheetah print skirt. And I have it already, but it's not really cheetah. But this one, it's like this. Hopefully all these fit. But this one's so cute. I got a cheetah. Did I order 2? Oh my god. If I ordered... I think I ordered 2 of these by accident. Okay, well, I got a cheetah bathing suit with the bottoms. Okay, I think I ordered 2.